Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my new vlog. It's vlog number 7. Yesterday I'm not able to update my fifth vlog because I don't know about the editing properly. So I deleted the original videos, so it becomes a huge problem for me. So that's why fifth vlog will not be updated. So today you check it out, vlog number 6, and here we go for the vlog number 7. So stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself, your family members, your neighbors, and other people's. And yes, take care of your pets, your stray dogs, and your birds also. So start the video. Hello, Gauri. 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 This is my lovely cow, Gauri. She loves, then she loves massage. Gauri. Small tomato. One more small tomato. This is the tomato plant. See? Small tomatoes. Vegetables, many vegetables months, but the brinjal is the leader because he gives vegetables for 2 years. Yes, this is the benefit of brinjal plants. It's hot summer, too hot summer. Our sponge garden nursery. It's 1 month before nursery because in summers there's a water problem. So we will save 1 month by this technique. Those all seeds are prepared by me. Yes, this is the another technique I will show you in another video. And this one is my chili nursery. See, my papaya nursery. See, this is red lady Taiwan. See the healthy plants. All seeds are prepared by me at home because I am not interested to buy any seeds from market because it not helps to the farmer to increase their wealth. Lots of papaya plants. This is my bottle gourd nursery. Amazing, amazing. Wow. This is my wormy bed. Just go. This is wormy. See the wormy compost. So this is my daily activity. Yes, I will show you one more thing. The papaya, the next papaya nursery. This nursery is for my brother.
because he wants to plant papaya trees in his field. Let me show you. This is the huge papaya plants. See, almost 750, 850 something. These are the papaya polythene bags. This is again my chili nursery. This is my vermi bed. I prepare vermicompost at home. This is my lemon garden. This you will see green trees, small green trees. Yes, they are. This is my brinjal nursery. Small brinjals are there. This is also brinjal nursery. This is again vermicompost. And you want to know that how I prepare bottle gourd seeds? Let me show you. One moment, Sanya. Buy this. Have you seen the big bottle gourd? This is. How will you prepare? How I am prepare the bottle gourd seeds? This is the seeds of bottle gourd. This is the seeds of sponge gourd. And this is the seed of spinach. Let me show you one more thing. This is my chicory tree. Yes. Farmhouse give you more and more rewards. If you take care of plants, so they give fruits. If you take care of flower plants, so they give beautiful flowers. This is my farmhouse. See, papaya and all. In rainy season, it become a big change for all the fields, because in summers all fields have no plants. You see, dry. Rainy season, they become green. So much green. See the sunset. Enjoy this vlog. If you enjoy this vlog, so like it, and if you really like it, so share it, and if you share it, so subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, so comment in this video. So take care, stay tuned, we will meet in another vlog. Bye.